KKTV 11 News.
Well, welcome back. We've already heated up for our Monday as we saw a lot of 80s and 90s out there already. But we're alerting you first to storms this afternoon. Our main concern is going to be gusty winds here along I-25 and through our eastern plains because these storms are going to shift east and become just a little bit on that stronger side of things as they shift towards that maybe 5-6 o'clock hour tonight. Of course, I'll be timing that out in just a few moments. By the middle of the week, we do dry out here in southern Colorado, but we are expected to at least stay hot as we do dry out with the return of some sunshine for us. So looking at our highs this afternoon, 86 for Colorado Springs, 96 for Pueblo, a full 10 degrees warmer out there. Watching 90s in Canyon City, Woodland Park in those 70s. And yes, almost all of us are expecting at least a few raindrops out there, maybe some lightning as well. Our SPC outlook has been upgraded to a marginal risk here through our kind of northern areas of I-25 for southern Colorado, through the Denver metro as well, and northeastern Colorado as a whole. So what does that mean for us? Well, some of these storms are going to be on the stronger side of things. And in the way of those modes of what we're watching for severe storms, I don't think hail is going to be an issue. I do think those gusty winds, damaging winds, are going to be an issue, and just some moderate rainfall out there realistically. So getting a look at our hour by hour, we're watching that move in by 2-3 o'clock for northern El Paso County through the Palmer Divide, areas down I-70 just west of Denver. And then we'll see these shift across those plains, shifting further east towards that 4, 5, 6, even 7 o'clock hour tonight. And by maybe 9 o'clock for El Paso County and areas closer to Pueblo, still some rain sticking around for us, but we're really starting to lose energy as we get into those later evening hours. Dry overnight, isolated showers and storms return west of I-25 to start our Tuesday afternoon, and we'll have the chance to see that maybe over Colorado Springs and northern El Paso County by 3-4 o'clock on our Tuesday. But that's about it for the majority of the week. We dry out the rest of our Tuesday into our Wednesday and Thursday as well. That's before bigger changes on Friday and the weekend days. So getting a look at our highs, not only just for today, but tomorrow. Also looking in those 80s for your Tuesday, looking at Pueblo at 94 also. Here's the thing, our temperature trend, that's exactly where we're sticking for the majority of the week. Thursday is going to be that hottest day out there as we see 91 for the high, and that's ahead of a little bit of a cool down. By next weekend, when that monsoonal moisture returns for us, we'll cool back off, maybe just a few degrees below those seasonal averages. Many of us seeing 80s in the forecast for next Saturday and Sunday. So get a look here at our 7-day forecast as we do. Again, see the chance for those thunderstorms today. Gusty winds is that main concern. Tuesday, isolated shower or storm possible, but I think most of us stay dry for the majority of the day. Dry Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday, cooling off slightly with the return of some monsoonal moisture. And I will tell you, good news, we are in that drought for a lot of the state out here. By the time we get towards that last couple days of August, I also think we're going to continue to stay with that monsoonal trend.
So looking like